Chicken Coop. Today I want to talk to y'all about a seed company that I ordered some seed from. It's called The Little Shop of Seeds, and it's a fellow YouTuber, Ray Browning, and his channel is called PRAXXUS 55712. And last year I ordered seeds from him, and those were the seeds that I used for my fall garden. It was my first fall garden, and it was very successful for me. So this year I ordered some broadleaf sage, some Roma paste tomatoes, some Rutgers tomato, large cherry tomatoes, some Boston pickling cucumbers, some California Wonder Bell peppers, some Long Island dill, some Ponderosa beefsteak tomatoes, and some Waltham broccoli. I think I'm saying that right, I may not. But all these seeds are 55 cents a package, and then I paid, so all that came to $9.35 because some of them I ordered like double packages, and I paid $4.50 for postage, so it was a total of $13.85. Some of your big box stores, the seed packages can be anywhere from like $2.49 to $3.49. So these packages were 55 cents a piece, and most of them had 50 seeds, and some of them even had 100 seeds. So you get a lot of seeds for your money. They come in little packages like this, and it just has the name on them. You don't get any instructions or anything, because remember, this is just a small seed company, okay? But this is the deal that I got, and it has 100 seeds in the package. The tomato seeds, I think there's like 50 or more in the package. Look, this is the sage I got, and look at all the seeds in that package. Just all of them have tons of seeds. I'm just shocked at how many seeds you get for 55 cents. I just wanted to give him a little shout out and little props. Go check out his channel, check out his Facebook page, PRAXXUS 55712, and of course it's The Little Shop of Seed. Tell him Angela from the Chicken Coop sent you. Like I say, I have followed him for a long time, and I really enjoy his channel. He has a lot of fun, and we all should be wanting to have fun on our gardening channels. Thanks for watching, and if you like my videos, please like and subscribe and share it with your friend. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.